I'm Chris Fox, and this is Inside Precision. If you've ever walked a shop floor, you know there's a million things happening at once. Machines humming, operators juggling parts, guys making parts, managers looking at schedules, and owners that are concerned about margins. And somehow, all of it has to connect. That's what we're here to talk about. Inside Precision is about pulling back the curtain on modern manufacturing. Not from the outside looking in, and not from the perspective of like an OEM brochure, but right where it matters. In between the shop floor and the boardroom. The decisions, the challenges, the hidden wins that make or break shops. Every week I'll share a quick briefing, what's working in shops, where's money being left on the table, and how leaders are navigating complex parts, longer lead times, and rising costs. Sometimes that means diving into ROI or throughput. Sometimes it's about people, quoting, or new tech. Think of it as the briefing you wish landed on your desk every week, but with shop floor grit still on it. If you're an owner, GM, or ops leader, this is for you. If you're a shop trying to justify new machines, or an OEM trying to reach the right buyers, this is for you. And if you're just someone who geeks out about how precision manufacturing actually works, well, you're in the right place as well. I've spent years walking shop floors, building content with machine tool and industrial software OEMs, and seeing firsthand what works and what doesn't. My role isn't to tell you how to run your shop. It's to connect the dots between what I see in the field and what actually drives results. So welcome to Inside Precision. Subscribe, follow, like, and all that, but also be prepared to grab the tools and benchmarks that I'll be releasing. Let's start cutting through the noise so you can keep those spindles turning and your machines earning. That cheesy? That's pretty cheesy. That's cheese ball. Cheese ball.